There's nothing quite like a plate of vibrant, perfectly cooked vegetables. They're not just good for you, they're delicious. Getting your veggies right can transform a meal. It's about bringing out their natural sweetness and creating textures that make your taste buds sing. Many people think cooking veggies is difficult or time-consuming. This couldn't be further from the truth. With a few simple techniques, anyone can master the art of cooking vegetables. We're going to explore the world of steaming and sautéing. These methods are quick, easy, and they help keep those important nutrients locked in. So, are you ready to turn your veggies from bland to grand? Let's get cooking. For years, boiling was the go-to method for cooking vegetables. It was simple, straightforward, and seemed to get the job done. But let's be honest, boiling can often leave your veggies watery and lacking in flavor. The vibrant colors fade, and the texture becomes mushy. It also tends to leach out valuable nutrients, which are essential for our health. When vegetables are boiled, many of their vitamins and minerals dissolve into the water, which is often discarded. Steaming and sautéing are much better options. These methods not only preserve the taste, but also the nutritional content of the vegetables. These methods use less water and cook your veggies more quickly. Steaming, for instance, uses the steam generated from boiling water to cook the vegetables, ensuring they retain their nutrients. This helps to preserve their vibrant color, crisp texture, and most importantly, their nutritional value. Sautéing, on the other hand, involves cooking vegetables quickly in a small amount of oil, which helps to lock in their flavors and nutrients. Steaming gently cooks vegetables in their own steam, resulting in a tender and flavorful outcome. It's a method that respects the integrity of the vegetables, allowing their natural flavors to shine through. Sautéing uses a small amount of oil and high heat to create a bit of caramelization, adding a delicious depth of flavor. The high heat helps to quickly cook the vegetables, giving them a slightly crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. Want to learn more about healthy cooking methods? Check out the eGreen channel. We offer a variety of tips and recipes to help you make the most of your vegetables and other ingredients. Subscribe now and start your journey to healthier, tastier meals. Steaming is incredibly easy and requires minimal equipment. It's a fantastic way to preserve the nutrients and vibrant colors of your vegetables. Here's how you can steam your veggies to perfection. First, choose your weapon. The type of vegetables you select can make a big difference in the steaming process. A steamer basket is your best friend. It's versatile and fits into most pots, making it an essential tool in your kitchen. Place it inside a pot with a few inches of water. Make sure the water level is just below the basket to avoid boiling the vegetables. Next, prep your veggies. Wash and chop your vegetables into uniform pieces. This step is crucial as it ensures they cook evenly and at the same rate. Then, steam away. Arrange the vegetables in a single layer in the steamer basket for the best results. Bring the water to a boil, making sure it doesn't touch the vegetables. The steam will do all the cooking. Then add your veggies to the steamer basket. Be careful not to overcrowd the basket, as this can lead to uneven cooking. Cover the pot and let them steam for a few minutes. The exact time will depend on the type and size of the vegetables. Finally, test for doneness. The veggies should be tender crisp. This means they are cooked through but still have a slight crunch. You can test them with a fork. If the fork goes in easily, but the vegetables still have some resistance, they are done. And there you have it. Steaming is a simple yet effective way to prepare your vegetables. Perfectly steamed vegetables, bursting with flavor and nutrients. Enjoy them as a side dish or incorporate them into your favorite recipes for a healthy boost. Sautéing is another fantastic way to cook vegetables. It's a technique that brings out the natural flavors and colors of your ingredients, making them not only taste great but look appealing too. It's quick, it's easy, and it adds a lovely bit of color to your veggies. Plus, it retains the nutrients better than boiling or steaming. Here's how to sauté like a pro. First, heat things up. You want your pan to be hot before adding anything to it. Grab a large skillet or wok. The size of the pan matters because you need enough space for the vegetables to cook evenly. Add a little oil and heat it over medium-high heat. The type of oil you use can affect the flavor, so choose one that complements your vegetables. Next, veggies in. Add your prepped vegetables to the hot pan. Prepping your vegetables beforehand ensures they cook evenly and quickly. Make sure they're in a single layer so they cook evenly. Overcrowding the pan can lead to steaming rather than sautéing. Then keep things moving. Stir or toss your veggies regularly. This helps them cook evenly and prevents them from sticking to the pan. This prevents sticking and ensures even cooking. You can use a spatula or simply toss the pan if you're feeling confident. Finally, the doneness test. Look for a slight char on the edges and a tender, crisp texture. This means the vegetables are cooked through but still have a bit of bite to them. And voila! You've mastered the art of the sauté. With practice, you'll be able to sauté any vegetable to perfection, adding a delicious and healthy option to your meals. Section 5. Picking your produce. Freshness is key. The secret to delicious cooked vegetables starts with choosing the freshest ingredients. Shop local farmers markets are a great place to find fresh seasonal produce. Use your senses. Look for vibrant colors, firm textures, and a fresh aroma. Avoid veggies that are wilted, bruised, or discolored. Seasonal stars. Opt for vegetables that are in season. They'll be at their peak flavor and nutritional value. Remember, fresh, high-quality ingredients make all the difference in the kitchen. Section 6. Prep time, getting your veggies ready to shine. Once you've got your hands on some beautiful vegetables, it's time to give them a little TLC before cooking. Wash and dry. Rinse your veggies thoroughly under cold water and pat them dry. Chop to it. Cut your veggies into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Peeling optional. Some veggies, like carrots and potatoes, can be peeled if you prefer. Proper preparation ensures your veggies cook evenly and retain their texture. Section 7. Seasoning secrets. Elevating your veggie game. Don't be afraid to get creative with seasonings. Here are a few ideas. Herbs and spices. Fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, and basil add amazing flavor. Spices like cumin, paprika, and chili powder can bring the heat. Citrus zest. A little lemon or lime zest adds a bright, fresh element. Garlic and ginger. These aromatic powerhouses add depth and complexity to any veggie dish. Remember, a little seasoning goes a long way. The E-Green channel, inspired by Said Mustafa's vision, has even more tips on using herbs and spices to enhance your meals. Don't forget to subscribe. Section 8. Timing is everything. Avoiding the mushy veggie blues. Nobody likes soggy, overcooked vegetables. Here's how to avoid the mushy veggie blues. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give your veggies space to breathe. Overcrowding the pan creates steam and leads to uneven cooking. Keep it moving. Stir or toss your veggies regularly to ensure even cooking. Trust your gut. There's no need to follow cooking times precisely. Use your senses and trust your judgment. With a little practice, you'll be able to nail the perfect texture every time. Section 9. Plating with panache. Making veggies look as good as they taste. Presentation matters. Here are some tips to make your veggies look as good as they taste. Color your plate. Use a variety of colorful vegetables to create visual appeal. Get creative with cuts. Try different cutting techniques like julienning, dicing, or spiralizing to add visual interest. Garnish with gusto. Fresh herbs, a sprinkle of cheese, or a drizzle of olive oil can elevate your veggie game. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. For inspiring plating ideas, check out the E-Green channel. There's a whole world of culinary creativity waiting for you. Section 10. The E-Green channel, your guide to a healthier life. At the E-Green channel, we're passionate about helping you live your healthiest life. Inspired by the vision of Said Mustafa, we believe that small changes can have a big impact on your well-being. Our channel is packed with helpful tips, delicious recipes, and expert advice on all things health and wellness. We're committed to providing you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to thrive. Section 11. Embrace the veggie revolution. Cooking vegetables doesn't have to be a chore. With these simple tips and tricks, You can transform ordinary vegetables into extraordinary culinary creations. Remember to choose fresh, high-quality ingredients. Experiment with different cooking methods and seasonings, and don't be afraid to get creative. Join the veggie revolution and discover a world of flavor and nutrition. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the eGreen channel with your friends and family. Let's spread the love for delicious, healthy eating. Subscribe to the eGreen channel for more interesting facts and tips on healthy eating.